I think I must have got your cousin in Japan. Hey, boat's just about running out of fuel, so you better get your bum down here. Kev here again. Well, we're out at the river. Tommy hasn't arrived yet. We're trying to get the boat ready. Made a couple of changes to it. I put a Stingray fin on the cav plate of the engine. Hopefully that'll make it better for Tom when he's driving it by himself. What this does is actually allows the boat to plane at a much slower speed. And that's the intention anyway, so let's see how it goes. But we're waiting on Tom to arrive, so see if we can get it all ready for him so we can get going on the water.
Hi, Granddad.
Hey Tom, you ready for the big reveal?
Yep.
Got your life jacket?
Yep. I do.
Been studying up those safety tips I've been teaching you?
Yes, I have.
Sounds like bullshit to me.
Oh, wow, that looks amazing. Wow. Looks really good.
What you want to do is see that? Yeah, put that lever backwards and you tilt the motor forward. No, pull it towards you.
How?
Tilt it.
Oh. Now I put it back up?
No, leave it down. And put it into gear, forward gear. That's it, now just idle around. Go up the river.
Up that way?
Yep. You can lift the tiller handle to make it comfortable. Don't give it too much throttle because it ventilates, but give it the other way.
Why not too much?
Alright?
Why not too much? Like, I just don't think this thing's gonna work, man.
The job was started in bits and pieces, and essentially we've put about 16 hours into it. Tom's spent about 4 or 5 of them, and I've picked up the other bit of time. But basically it's a good 2 days work from start to finish, which is not a bad little project, sort of thing you can take on a weekend or something like that. And we ended up, I think, with a pretty good result. So if you've got a bit of a project due up in mind, don't forget promptparts.co.nz.